this is Alex from Equilibrium Tuning. Today we're going to be going over how to load a Datalog preset list onto your Accessport, as well as troubleshooting a common issue that may occur.
Hey guys, this is Jesse at EQT. I'm going to show you how to load a Datalog preset onto your Accessport and also troubleshoot an error code that may pop up when you go to Datalog in your car. So first, we'll start on the website. You'll go to the Volkswagen Frequently Asked Questions. From here, you'll want to go to the Accessport FAQ and scroll down to the proper ways to do logs with your Accessport. Here are the two data logging preset files we have, one for Mark 7, 7.5, and then a separate one for Mark 8. We're just going to click on the 7 for now. This will now download that file, so you can open up Accessport Manager. From here, you'll of course want your Accessport plugged in, and same way as you load a tune file, you can press import. You'll see the file, or you may have to search for where you saved it to. Click that, click yes, and now it's on your Accessport. It's either under all files or Datalog presets, it'll show up there as well. And now you can go ahead and eject the AP and go out to your car. In the event that you need to datalog, there's an error that may occur, and we're going to show you how to fix that. So if you're datalogging, you're going to click Gauges. And here's that error. It happens when there's too many monitors selected. So we're going to click Continue, go up to this green arrow, go to Configure Datalogging. You're going to load a Datalog preset. You're going to click on that EQT one that you saved from our website. Now it's loaded, so I'm able to go back, and now there's no error message.